Thanks for tuning back in. Devine Motorworks YouTube channel. Got a ton going on here at the shop. Gonna give you a quick rundown. Been restoring these door panels for my 72 Ranchero. You can see they're pretty dusty right now. Still got to get some armrest pads. Then we've got this beautiful car over here, 65 fastback Mustang. Original paint, tropical turquoise, 289. It's already been swapped over to a 4-barrel. Customer just bought this car, so I'm going over it completely for him. You can see the plug wires are kind of all over the place. I just did new plugs. I'm going to be pulling the intake off to replace the gaskets. The front and rear seals are leaking. Somebody used the actual rubber gasket piece instead of doing the silicone, which ends up failing. That rubber gasket pushes out. I've already put a new battery in there, cleaned up some of the wiring. Again, this isn't finished yet, but he's got an aluminum radiator. I had to fix this power steering pump. Somebody did a conversion on it and the bracketry just wasn't right. So going through cleaning up some of the wiring, fixing the oil leaks. I've already done the transmission pan gasket, front ball joints, upper and lower, the lower control arms. I have to do the coil spring perches. I've already done inner and outer tie rods. You can check out the previous video on the classic car alignment to see that. It's got Willwood disc brakes all the way around. Now we're going to be replacing the rocker molding trim. As you can see, that's pretty beat up. Got new pieces over here, as well as new door sill plates. They're pretty dinged up as well, and they were supplied with the car when the customer bought it. But as you can see, this interior has been completely redone. I am going to be adding air conditioning to this car. Vintage air kit. So stay tuned for that. And I was just dropped off this box of parts that I'm going through. Easy wiring harness, front coil springs, upgraded front sway bar, rear sway bar installation kit, some new taillight bezels, front turn signal covers, all the sway bar stuff. Overall, this car is in great shape. Now over here, just picked this up yesterday. This is a worked 351 Cleveland, Boss pistons, upgraded cam. I really don't know everything about this block yet, but I saw the pictures of this thing. It was in a race car in Daytona track in the 80s. You can see this crazy oil pan it's got on there. Massive front sump. Now this is going to be built to go in that black Ford pickup truck that you've seen in the previous videos. So that's going to be a pretty interesting project. Everything is going to have to be changed and customized to fit this motor in there. And over here, got some more performance parts. I've got a 72 Impala. We're starting to gather the parts for. We're gonna do intake swap, carburetor, headers, some basics to clean up the drivetrain and under the hood. Get that thing running right, and then there's gonna be a lot of metal work involved in that. I'll probably show you that car in the next video or so. We've still got a bunch of the stuff going on for the Lincoln. As you can see, I have more work than I can handle as one guy. I've actually closed the books down now until I feel like I'm ready to take on more work. So if you like what you see, follow along, keep up to date, hit that like and subscribe button.